students, how are you all? I hope everybody is fine. So today I am going to explain you about addition of integers. I have already explained you about the properties based on addition of integers and how do we add the integers and what are the rules which we need to follow while adding up the integers. So today I am going to solve some questions from the exercise 4b to make everything more clear and crystal clear. Okay. So in exercise 4b we have done all the questions except question number 5. Question number 5 is having how many options? 10 options, right? So I am going to explain all the 10 options so that every single student understands how do we add the integers. So don't skip the video, watch the full video in order to understand the concept clearly. So the first option is find the sum of. Firstly, what is the meaning of sum? If anybody knows, so all the students whosoever is watching the video, reply your answers in the comment section. What does the word sum means? So everybody who has written the meaning of sum as add or plus or addition, your answer is correct. Sum means to add. Now what we have to do? In every option we have to add. So the first option is 137 and minus 354. तो हमें क्या करना है? ऐड करना है. So minus 354 will be written in bracket. So as I have told you, one integer is positive, one integer is negative. Plus minus minus, right? So 137 minus 354. So one integer is negative, one integer is positive. That means we have to subtract. तो जब आप 354 से if you are subtracting 137, the answer will be 217. And but the sign of the greater number will be used. So greater number is having which sign? Negative sign. So 217 is the answer. Coming to the second option. The second option is 1001 and minus 13, right? 1001 and minus 13. Again same thing is going to be followed. 1001 plus minus minus. So 1001 minus 13. See, one integer positive, one integer negative. We have to subtract and the greater number is having which sign? The greater number is having positive sign. So once I will subtract 1001, once I will subtract 13 from 1001, what I am going to get? I am going to get 988. Okay? आप लोग subtract करके देख लीजिएगा. All the answers are correct because I have also checked the answers. I have also done it. So I am going to option number 3. See, some of the students says that ki ma'am I have not received the link. Ma'am, I have received the old link. This happened few days ago in class 7 that the students have got the old link. उन्हें शायद by mistaken पुराना link चला गया था. So that is why I used to say that subscribe the channel so that you will get the notification. Because अगर आपने subscribe किया, there is no need to have a link. You will automatically get the notification of the video, right? So you can easily watch. So the students who have not subscribed, it's up to you. If you want, you can subscribe the channel. Now third option is minus 3057 and 199. One positive, one negative. That means we have to subtract. And the greater number is having which sign? The greater number is having a negative sign. So once you will subtract, the answer will be minus 2858. Okay students? अगर मैं यहाँ वीडियो में बैठ के प्लस माइनस भी करूँगी ना तो इट विल टेक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम एंड आई डोंट वांट टू वेस्ट टाइम. I just wanted you to explain and I want it to be crystal clear whatever I am explaining to you. Now coming to option number 4. Option number 4 is minus 36 and 1027. Minus 36 plus 1027. One positive, one negative and the greater number is having which sign? Positive sign. So we have to subtract. So 1027 minus 36, what will be the answer? The answer will be, once you will subtract 991. What will be the answer? 991, because the greater number is having a positive sign. That means this will also have a positive sign. Coming to the fifth option. So the fifth option is minus 389 and minus 1032. So minus 389 plus minus 1032 plus minus minus, right? Minus minus. Reply your answers in the comment section. माइनस माइनस प्लस, पर साइन किसकी लगेगी? माइनस की लगेगी. तो 1032 प्लस 389 will be minus 1421. I hope it is clear now. Coming to the sixth option. Please pay attention, students. All the questions solved in the video are supposed to be done in the math classwork copy. I am going to explain you about the sixth option. So sixth option is minus 36 and 100. So minus 36 plus 100, one positive, one negative, and the greatest number is having a greater number is having a positive sign. That means we have to subtract and the result will be having a positive sign. Coming to the seventh option, right? 3002 and 888 minus 888. So plus minus minus. So 3002 minus 888. What will we get after the subtraction? Reply your answers in the comment section. The answer will be 2114. When you are replying, just pause the video and write the comment and then play the video again and match your answers. Right? Coming to the eighth option. So the eighth option is having more than two integers. Till now we were having two integers and it was very good for you to solve. So from here situation is becoming a little bit difficult. थोड़ा सा difficult हो रहा है, but you need to understand that also, and I know everybody will be able to understand. So how many integers are given to you? 3 integers. पहला है आपका -18, दूसरा आपका है +25, क्योंकि बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट अगर कोई साइन नहीं दिया है, so we used to consider it as a positive integer. Now the third integer is a negative, -37, plus minus minus. So it will be -18 plus 25 minus 37. Now what we have to do now? Now here comes the BODMAS rule. As per the BODMAS rule, firstly we will add, then we will subtract. So it is having 2 negative integers, 1 positive integer. So whatever you are going to do it from one side. If you are solving from this side, that is from the extreme right, आप यहीं से शुरू करिए. If you are solving from here, so start from here only. Don't mix up the things. So what you have to do? -18 plus 25. See, 1 positive 1 negative. हुआ तो एडिशन ही है ना. तो एज पर द BODMAS रूल हम लोग पहले एडिशन करेंगे. तो 1 पॉजिटिव 1 नेगेटिव एंड द ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर इज हैविंग अ पॉजिटिव साइन. तो यहाँ पे आपका आएगा 7, बिकॉज 25 minus 18 is 7, -37. Now again 1 negative 1 positive, we have to do the subtraction and give the sign of the greatest number. So 7 minus 37 is -30. Is it clear now? If अगर किसी को नहीं समझ में आया, if somebody has not understood, please rewind it and try to watch it again. इतना जो ये ऑप्शन नंबर 8 से आप दोबारा देखिए. Definitely it will be clear after that. There are some more options. I am going to explain about that also. So coming to option number 9. So option number 9 is also having 3 integers, 1 negative and 2 positive integers. So the negative is 312 and 2 positive integers are 39 and 192. So how will you proceed, students? आप क्या करेंगे? एक साइड से शुरू करेंगे, राइट? -312 plus 39, 1 positive 1 negative. What we have to do? We have to subtract. तो 312 में से 39 को माइनस करेंगे तो यू आर गोइंग टू गेट -273. नाउ दिस मच इज डन, ओनली 192 इज लेफ्ट. सो -273 प्लस 192, one positive, one negative, and the greatest number is having the negative sign. So 273 minus 192, the answer will be 81. So it is minus 81. Okay students. Now coming to the 10th option. See, it is having how many integers? 4 integers. 2 negative, 2 positive. So first integer is negative. Second one is again negative. इसमें बेटा आपका सिर्फ एक ही पॉजिटिव इंटीजर है, 3 इंटीजर्स आपके नेगेटिव हैं. ओके, 36 प्लस -28. सी, 3 integers are negative, 1, 2, 3, and the fourth one is positive. Now how will we proceed? As I told you, आप एक ही साइड से शुरू करिएगा. If you have started doing this, so start solving from one side only, either from the extreme left or either from the extreme right. So I always start from here. So -51 plus minus minus, so 203 plus 36 minus 28. Now this much I am going to solve. Minus minus plus, और साइन किसकी लगेगी? नेगेटिव लगेगी आपकी. Now this much is left, I am going to write. Now again I am solving this much, 1 negative, 1 positive. तो 254 में से जब आप 36 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, you are going to get -218 minus 28. See, now 2 negatives, what do we have to do? We have to add. So it will be -246. So question number 5 is over now. Now what we have to do? Now I am going to explain you about subtraction of integers. How do we subtract the integers? Now you all know about the addition and the properties based on that, and we have also solved some questions on that. So in this video I am going to explain you about the subtraction of integers. How do we subtract the integers? See, it is subtraction is an inverse process of addition. ठीक है, एडिशन का कैसा प्रोसेस है? इन्वर्स प्रोसेस. इन्वर्स मीन्स, अगर आप, आई हैव एक्सप्लेन यू अबाउट एडिटिव इन्वर्स, इफ यू रिमेंबर. व्हाट इज द एडिटिव इन्वर्स ऑफ 92? रिप्लाई योर आंसर्स इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. पॉज द वीडियो, रिप्लाई योर आंसर्स. द एडिटिव इन्वर्स ऑफ 92 इज -92. Because additive inverse is something which makes the answer 0, right? So subtraction is a inverse process of addition. ठीक है, inverse process है. If I ask you to subtract 4 from 9, right? If I'm asking you to subtract 4 from 9, तो जो from के बाद में लिखा होता है, मुझे पता है you know about this, you are studying it from class 2 only, but I am explaining. Okay, so 4 from 9 means 9 में से आपको 4 subtract करना है. If I am writing 2 from 3, तो 3 minus 2. If I am writing 9 from 7, so 7 minus 9 will be done. One negative, 1 positive, so -2 will be the answer, right? So this is how we are going to proceed with the subtraction of integer. अभी थोड़े से एग्जाम्पल्स और ले लेते हैं. So if we want to subtract -8 from 5, right? -8 from 5. तो फ्रॉम के बाद वाला पहले आएगा 5 minus -8 and minus minus. Reply your answers in the comment section. Minus minus is plus. So 5 plus 8 is 13. So this is how the subtraction of integers proceed. To subtract one integer from another, we take the additive inverse of the integer to be subtracted and added to the other integer. Now what does this mean? यानी कि अगर हमें किसी इंटीजर को दूसरे इंटीजर से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, दैट इज a माइनस बी, हम क्या करते हैं, एक इंटीजर को दूसरे इंटीजर के एडिटिव इनवर्स में ऐड कर देते हैं. कैन वी राइट लाइक दिस, बिकॉज प्लस माइनस इज माइनस, तो वी कैन राइट लाइक दिस ऑल्सो. तो अगर हम किसी दो इंटीजर्स को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं, दैट मीन्स दैट वी आर एडिंग द एडिटिव इनवर्स ऑफ द इंटीजर, राइट. सो आई होप इट इज क्लियर नाउ. इफ आई एम सेइंग कि 7 माइनस 2, तो हम लोग ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं 7 प्लस माइनस 2, क्योंकि प्लस माइनस इज माइनस. सो वी आर adding the additive inverse. So that is why I have said few minutes ago that subtraction is an inverse process of addition. So now everybody is clear with the subtraction of integers. Now some properties are left about subtraction of integers. So the first property is closure property. That means if a and b are two integers, then a minus b is also an integer. Closure property says that जो addition की थी कि if a and b are two integer and we are adding them, the answer will also be an integer. In the same way, a and b if are two integers and we are subtracting them, so the answer will also be an integer. So this is closure property. Now the next property is if a is any integer, then a minus 0 is a. If you are subtracting 0 from any integer, the answer is the 0 itself. अगर आप 0, answer is the integer itself, sorry. If you are adding 0 to any integer, the answer is the integer itself. In the same way, if you are subtracting 0 from any integer, then the answer is the integer itself. Okay students, so that's all for today. Write the questions solved in the video in the classwork copy, and in tomorrow's video, I will be taking some more examples based on subtraction of integers. So thank you students, have a great day ahead.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.